The Tournament of Technology judging will take place in Office 365 using Microsoft Classroom. Begin by opening your browser and typing in portal.office.com to access the Fresno Unified Home for Office 365. When the Office 365 login screen appears, begin by typing in your judge username and password provided to you in the email from the event coordinator. If multiple names appear on the login screen, select the Use Another Account before typing in your judge username and password. Passwords are case and space sensitive. Once the Office 365 portal appears, select Classroom to continue. You can also select the Classroom app from the App Launcher in the upper left corner if it does not appear in the Welcome window. Once the Classroom displays, you will see the assignment navigation to the left. At this time, all project submissions have been closed. Select Completed to view the event project submission assignment. Select the 3D Derby Design Document Submission assignment to begin, and then select Submissions. This will display a list of all the students that have submitted projects. Please be sure to scroll all the way down to avoid missing any submissions. Select the status column twice to load all submitted projects to the top of the list. Select the submitted bin to display the student's submissions to the right. A student may have up to 5 projects submitted. Each project will need to be judged for each student. Select the first project. Once the project is selected, notice that it opens in another browser tab. Keep this browser tab open and navigate back to the Microsoft Classroom tab. Select Files to access the judging rubric. The Files window will also open in another browser tab. The only item you are to open in the Files folder is the TOT Judge Excel file that has your assigned number. This Excel file contains an individual rubric for every team project, which means you will only need this one Excel file for all projects for all students. Please do not open any other files or folders in this window. It is important to note that the 3D Car Derby project contains a design document requirements worksheet in addition to a directions sample. If you have been assigned this project, please review the Design Document Requirements worksheet, as it will serve to clarify the category and proficiency levels for scoring. In addition, the 3D Derby projects each have 2 rubrics per project: a 3D Design Document rubric and a 3D Car Design rubric. The directions sample displays a sample rubric and some simple directions on scoring. Please read and familiarize yourself with the rubric for each category and proficiency level before viewing any projects. Ensure that each rubric sheet name matches the team name at the top of each rubric. Scores will be entered by selecting the pull-down menu for each category of the rubric. Be sure to hit Return or Enter to move down to the next scoring cell. Scores can be changed, but they cannot be left empty. The rubric will automatically calculate the totals. Please verify for accuracy. In the lower area of each rubric is a comment field. Please note that any comments back to the team for reflection. All worksheets are locked to avoid any changes on the rubric other than scoring. To begin scoring, select the project worksheet that matches the project selected from the classroom submission files. In the upper right corner, select the Edit Workbook menu and choose Edit in Browser. This will open the document in your browser, allowing scores to be entered. Navigate back to the Browser Project tab and view the project. Again, please ensure that the project name and the rubric team name are identical. The student's project will contain a written portion, which is the design document, and should also include a car design diagram. Be sure to score both rubrics on each team worksheet. In the event that a project is incomplete, please score accordingly. Review the rubric again and select the appropriate score for each category. In the lower area of each rubric is a comment field. Please note that any comments back to the team for reflection. The sheet will save automatically after each change in scoring. Return to the Microsoft Classroom browser tab and select a new submission project. This will open in a new project browser tab with the new project. Return to the Excel Judging File tab and select the worksheet that matches the next project. View the project as often as needed during the scoring process. When scoring is complete for this project, verify that all categories have been scored and there is a total at the bottom. Please note any comments to the team for reflection. Continue this process for each student and each project. All project worksheets should have scores and totals. To verify, scan through the sheets. Navigate back to the Microsoft Classroom tab to view, open, and score additional projects. When all student projects have been scored, log out of Office 365 and close all browser windows. Thank you again for taking the time to assist with the judging process.